Hello, it's Onesmus here. Okay, I'm here to talk about Forex trading. So I want to thank Sadali and for his good work he's doing teaching people Forex. So I want to thank him. I started learning Forex last year on November through the Sadali Academy, that is Forex Academy. So I started last year and so far so good. My journey has been good. I did not have any complications since Sadali was. He's a perfect teacher, like he teaches well, so I had no any complication. Also, I've learned a lot of things like using technical tools like moving averages, like using Fibonacci's, all those stuffs I've learned through Sadali in his academy. So also, I've learned how to analyze chart and know everything. Like let me say everything. I'm very positive. Like Sadali is the best, and it's Forex Academy. The good thing with the Forex Academy is that Sadali has provided a student private group where you chat to interact with other beginners, and you're able to post your chat. And Sadali automatically will respond to your post and correct you where necessary. So on thanks Sadali. Okay, okay, I don't know how to say, but I'm very happy, man. I'm very happy. Like I don't know how to appreciate Sadali, but all I pray is that you live a happy life and a better life for your future, because you have done a very good job. Because I did not know where to. In the past 2 years, I did not know. I had a passion in Forex, reading Forex, but I did not know where to begin. But since I found the Sadali Academy, the forum, like now, like I'm a trader. I've learned a lot of things. I just need to practice. So thank you, Sadali. God bless you.